Hello everyone. In this INR number 48, we are going to discuss about lathyrism or neurolathyrism. Right? So what is lathyrism or neurolathyrism? It's a neurotoxic disease which is caused by eating pulse called as Kesari dal, Lathyrus sativus. So Lathyrus sativus is a contaminated dal or Kesari dal. So this is the Kesari dal. When we eat along with pure dal, when they mix with this, when we eat this, then this disorder will develop, and this is a neurological disorder which will be involving the nerves. Right, so who will be affected by this? 15 to 45 years of the age group people will be affected. And what will be the clinical feature? These patients will be having irreversible, remember, irreversible but non-progressive spastic paraparesis or paralysis. Right, so remember, irreversible, non-progressive spastic paraparesis or paraplegia, and mostly it will be involving the lower limbs. Right, and how it will be affecting us? So if you are eating Lathyrus sativus in a diet which is containing more than 30% of this dal, suppose we are eating this dal and more than 30% in this dal is having this Kesari dal, so that can cause damage. Right, so more than 30% of this dal is added, so more than 30% of this dal, and for how many months? Over a period of 2 to 6 months. Right, so more than 30% of the dal is containing this Kesari dal or Lathyrus sativus for more than 2 to 6 months will be causing this neurolathyrism. That is why it is called as neurolathyrism, because they are going to cause paralysis of the lower limbs. So what is the toxin present in this Kesari dal? So that toxin present in the Kesari dal is beta oxalyl amino alanine. So BOA. This is the important MCQ also. So toxin present in Kesari dal or Lathyrus sativus is beta oxalyl amino alanine, which is going to cause damage of the lower limb and causing paralysis. Right, so what are the neurolathyrism stages? There are 4 stages. You can see there are no stick used for the patient here, so it is no stick stage. Second, when they will be having one stick, so this is called as one stick stage. Now you can see they are using 2 sticks, so it is 2 stick stage. And third one is crawling stage. Right, so this is the crawler stage. So these are the 4 stages: no stick, one stick, 2 stick, and crawler. Right, how we can intervene, how we can provide intervention for the prevention and control of the lathyrism? So intervention for prevention and control of lathyrism, there are 3 important things which we have to remember. First, we have to ban the crop which is producing Kesari dal. Right, number 1. Second, you can give vitamin C prophylaxis. Right, and third is toxin removal by steeping method or by parboiling. So keep learning and keep remembering all these things. These are important PSM questions which examiner may ask in your exam again. Best wishes for your exam.